year, magkasama talaga kami. Pero,
Madi Madayag, hindi na itago ang lungkot sa muling pagtatagpo ng kanyang matagal ng kapartner sa volleyball na si Bea De Leon sa event ng Alliance Life Insurance. Talagang marami ang nakapansin at medyo maiyak pa ito habang nagbibigay mensahe sa kanyang ka-teammate at matalik na kaibigan. Kayo, napansin niyo rin ba yun? Pero bago pa man ang lahat, huwag mo namang kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-spike ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga volleyball ganap. Masaya naman ang lahat sa muling pagkikita ng dalawang sister team na Choco Mucho Flying Titans at Creamline Cool Smashers. Pero di maiwasan ang lungkot nang makitang iba na ang kulay na sinusuot ni Bea De Leon. 9 na taon na ang lumipas mula nang una nilang isuot ang iconic na Ateneo Lady Eagles jersey na magkasama bilang rookies. Pero ngayon, mag-iiba na ang takbo ng pangyayari dahil hindi na maghahati sa parehong panig ng court sina Madi Madayag at Bea De Leon kapag nagsimula na ang 2024 Premier Volleyball League season. Kasunod ng blockbuster na paglipat ni BDL sa Creamline kasama ang kapwa Ateneo Ace Libero na si Denden Lazaro Revilla, ang incoming Flying Titans captain ay nagbahagi ng taos-pusong komento sa pag-alis ng kanyang matagal ng ka-teammate. Tila hindi pa sanay ang lahat na makitang iba na ang sinusuot na kulay ni BDL. Isang malungkot na medyo maiyak-iyak pa si Madi na ipinahayag ang kanyang komento sa paglipat ni BDL.
I've been with Bea since my first year, magkasama talaga kami. Pero, we're happy na she found a new home in Creamline. And we know na mas marami pa siyang matututunan and mas mag-grow pa talaga siya as a person. And it's gonna be different playing against her kasi my whole career, siguro both of our careers, we've been together in a team, in one team. So, ayun, sige, tinagyan natin sa
Alam naman nating lahat kung paano sila lumaban at nabigo sa bawat pagsubok ng kanilang koponan. Pero sa parting ito parang hindi nila ito napaghandaan. Pati ang mga fans ay hindi rin makapaniwala sa balita. Kaya makikita natin na nakasmile si BDL pero kita pa rin ang sakit na iniwan niya ang koponan na kanyang minahal. Pero gayon pa man, kinakailangan pa rin ni BDL na gawin ang dapat gawin para sa kanyang ikauunlad at ikakabuti.
Kumbaga alam niyo na yung laro ng isa't isa eh. Excited ko ba na makatapat siya? Or si Bea?
Oo naman, definitely excited ako na syempre new system din yung nilalaroan niya. So, even though alam ko na paano siya maglaro, syempre iba pa rin yung sistema ni Coach Dante kay Coach Sherman. So, syempre may mga bago pa rin kaming makikita from Bea and even kay Ate Den. So, we're very excited sa laro nila pag laban namin. Syempre, nalungkot kami kasi yun nga, matagal na kami magkasama. Kami nila Kat, nila Bea, nila Deans. Diba, matagal na kami. Pero, paano ba siya i-explain? It's part of life. Ganun talaga. Kung sa tingin niya, mas mag-grow siya sa isang team na to. Dun siya. Hindi na naman namin siyang kukupin na parang dito ka lang kasi comfort zone mo yan. Like what she said, gusto niya lumabas sa comfort zone niya. Gusto niya mag-explore pa. And she wants to be a better player. Eh, siguro sa Choco Mucho, nakuha niya na yung kailangan niyang kunin sa Choco. So,
Ibinunyag naman ng Creamline Captain Alyssa Valdez na isa sa mga senior team ni Madayag at De Leon sa kanilang title-winning rookie season noong 2015 UAAP Season 78 kung gaano siya katuwa nang malaman na isa sa kanyang kampiyon na Lady Eagle proteges ang mabibilang na ngayon para sa Cool Smashers.
One thing I miss about Bea is her energy as well. I think we all know that Creamline has been very happy and I think it's a good balance also seeing how Bea would react and celebrate every point and we're always gonna be, we'll support her also in that way. Diba Bea? First thing, but aside from kidding aside, Bea will be a great help in our team as well. And we're just really looking forward na talagang mag-shine and makuha niya ulit yung game niya in the team. Also, Darren Lasso.
At ito rin ang matingkad na on-court dynamism at karakter ng UAAP Season 81 champion at final MVP na sabik na muling masaksihan ni Valdez. Ikaw, nasaktan ka rin ba for Maddie and for the Team Choco Mucho?
It was one of the hardest goodbyes I've done. You know, just now looking at them and seeing them take their team picture, I couldn't help but be sad and happy. You know, at the same time, whenever you're in a team or in a group of people, it's always the people that make it feel like home. And I've always felt that with them. And you know, I'm getting sad, but then yun nga, I felt that career-wise, volleyball-wise, this was the proper move for me, system-wise especially. But yun, like I said, this has been one of the hardest things I've had to do. And not to be with them every day has been such a change for me. I've been seeing them every day for, I can't even count anymore, 5 plus 3, 8 years. So yun, alam mo yun, it's been such a change, but it is what I felt. Both excited and scared and anxious about it, just because I know they're gonna give me so much. Sorry, I can't say bad words here, but you know what I mean. But not in a bad way, of course. It's always a friendly banter with them. So yun, I don't.
So that's it. Thanks for supporting this channel and please don't forget to like and subscribe and spike the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga volleyball ganap. And thanks for watching.